Yes, very good morning, students. Today, in our chapter number second, polynomial, our last topic, we will read the identities and the questions based on identities. How you will solve, we will explain it. See, our identity first one a plus b and its square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, this is our identity. On the basis of this identity, we will solve questions. Some questions are here. He say find 108 and its square. So 108 can be written as 100 plus 8 and its square. Now at the place of A, 100 is there. At the place of B, 8 is there. So we will use the identity. It will be A square means 100 square plus B square 8 square plus 2 into A into 100 into B into 8. We get 100 and its square 10,000 plus 8 square 64 plus it will be 1600. Now add all 64, 16 and 1. This will be the square of 108 using the identity. Our second identity is x plus a into x plus b. This will be x square plus a plus b into x and plus a b. Okay, and on the basis of this identity, let me take one example. 103 into 105. This product we have to find. So here 103 can be written as 100 plus 3. 105 can be written 100 plus 5. So here it will be in the form of this identity x plus a and x plus b. At the place of x, 100 is there, a is 3 and b is 5. So multiply it. This will be x square means 100 square plus a plus b means 3 plus 5 into x into 100 plus a into b means 3 into 5. We have to just replace the values. This will be 10,000 plus 800 and plus 15. Now when we add, we get 15,801. This will be the product of 103 and 105 using the identity x plus a into x plus b. At the place of this identity, question may be like this. See, he will say you multiply 104 like 95 multiply 96. Okay, so here 95 can be written as 100 minus 5 and 96 can be written as 100 minus 4. So for making this equal to this identity, we will write 100 plus minus 5 into 100 plus minus 4. Because we have to make this identity here, at the place of a is minus 5. So we will use negative values there. Now applying the identity, this will be 100 and its square plus a plus b means minus 5 plus minus 4 into x 100 plus a into b minus 5 into minus 4. This will be 10,000 and it is minus 9. So multiplying by 100 minus 900 and this will be plus 20. Now subtract 900 from 10,000. We get 0, 0, 1, 9 plus 20. So we get 9120 as the resultant of the multiplication of 95 and 96. Understand? So if question is there like this, you can solve like this. Suppose इसके प्लेस पे वो 105 दे देता, तो आप इसको 100 प्लस 5 लिखते, इसको 100 माइनस 4 लिखते, तो ये तो एज इट इज प्लस का 5 रह जाता, ये माइनस का 4 होता। तो ए के प्लेस पे तो प्लस का 5 यूज करते, बी के प्लेस पे माइनस का 4 यूज करते। ठीक है, तो रिजल्ट क्या हो जाता है यहाँ पे कि प्लस का 1 आता तो ये आ जाता प्लस का 100, और यहाँ ये आ जाता माइनस का 20। जो नेगेटिव है उसके प्लेस पे नेगेटिव वैल्यू, जो पॉजिटिव है उसके प्लेस पे पॉजिटिव वैल्यू को यूज करते हैं आप। सी और नेक्स्ट आइडेंटिटी, one identity is a minus b and its square. On the basis of this identity, we will write a square plus b square minus 2ab. And the question related to this identity will be, suppose he asks find 94 and its square. So for it, we can write it 100 minus 6 and its square. Here at the place of a is 100, at the place of b is 6. So this will be equal to a square plus b square plus minus 2ab. Write down a square 100 square plus b square 6 square minus 2 into a 100 into b 6. This will be 10,000 plus 36 minus 1200. So add 36 to the 10,000 and then subtract 1200. We get, now 36 will be as it is, and 12 means it will be 8. This will be the answer. Okay. Next, one more identity is there regarding AB. That is, if you have a plus b into a minus b, this can be written as a square minus b square. Vice versa, a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. इस टाइप में अगर क्वेश्चन दे रखा है तो आप ये आइडेंटिटी यूज कर दीजिए, ऐसा दे रखा है तो उसके प्लेस पे आप ऐसा यूज कर दीजिए। सपोज एक क्वेश्चन दे रखा है, उसने 104 and multiply 96. So here 104 can be written as 100 plus 4 into this can be written as 100 minus 4. So it is a plus b into a minus b, and this will be equal to a square minus b square. So simply we will write 100 and its square minus 4 and its square, 10,000 minus 16. When we subtract, we get 4, 8, 9, 9. This will be the result. So on the basis of this identity, we will solve our questions like this. Okay. Our next identity is suppose one question he say 0.99 and its square. So 0.99 can be written as 100 minus 0.1. Is it right? Wrong. This will be 0.01. And when we add this one, see 0.99 और only 1 माइनस करना, ये 100 नहीं आएगा, 0.01। अब इनको ऐड करते हैं तो ये 0, ये भी 10 बनता है 0, और फिर ये आ जाएगा 1 पॉइंट। सो 0.99 को जब 0.01 ऐड करते हैं तो आपके पास 1 आता है, तो इसको आप 1 माइनस 0.01 0 1 राइट डाउन करते हैं, इट्स स्क्वायर। अब ये आइडेंटिटी बनती है आपके पास a माइनस बी एंड इट्स होल स्क्वायर। ए के प्लेस पे यहाँ पे 1 है और बी के प्लेस पे 0.01 है, तो इसको यूज करेंगे। ए स्क्वायर मीन्स 1 स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर 0.01 स्क्वायर माइनस 2 इंटू ए इंटू बी, दिस विल बी 1 प्लस इट्स स्क्वायर विल बी 0.0001 minus when we subtract we get 0.02. Now we have to solve it. When we add we get 1.001 minus 0.02. Now subtract it. So 1 as it is, 0 as it is. This will be 8, this will be 9. So 0.9801 will be the product of 0.99 and its square. He will give you the answer. Find the square of this using appropriate identity. So there you must apply the identity. Using identity only you can solve it. If you do directly, marks will be not be given you. And see our next identity. We have completed our a plus b and its square. We have completed our a minus b and its square. See, suppose question is there. Identity is a plus b plus c and its square. This will be equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc and plus 2ca. This will be the identity. A plus b plus c, its square will be a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Suppose identity will be a plus b and minus c and its square he gives you. So here at the place of c we will use minus symbol, but in square it will be positive. So you will write a square plus b square plus c square as it is. Now here ab only, so they will be positive. Here c is there, and when we multiply this one, so this will be minus 2bc because c is minus here, negative here. Here also c is there, so minus 2ca will be there. Because question will not be in this form only, he can give like this, and then you have to find its the factors. Factors means to convert the identity, and then you will write it into the product of 2 times. So from here you have to identify which we have to make minus. So here it will clear it. Otherwise we can get here minus a and minus b, so that their product is positive, and here only c we can take negative, so it will be satisfy the equation. Suppose this will also minus, this will also minus, then a square plus b square plus c square will be same. Now see, 2ab is there, a is positive, so we will write minus 2ab. Then bc and bc both are negative, so it will be positive. And then ca, a is positive, it will be also minus 2ca. So in this way you have to convert this idea. Our basic identity is this one, and in this way we will convert the symbols. Okay, questions will be there and you have to solve them. Just wait. Suppose he say Find the square of root 2x plus y plus 3z and its square. So here you will do a square means root 2x and its square plus b square y square plus c square 3z square. Now plus 2ab, then we will write plus 2 into root 2x into y plus 2bc 2 into y into 3z and plus 2ca into 2 into 3z into root 2x. Now root 2x and its square will be 2x square plus y square as it is plus 9z square, and this will be plus 2 root 2xy, and here it will be plus 6yz, and this will be 6 root 2xz. So in this way you will open the identity. Okay. Our next identity is a cube minus b cube means plus cube and एक आएगी आपके पास नेगेटिव. This identity will be a plus b into a square plus b square and minus ab. Okay. Before it, identity will also be there. First one, a plus b and its cube. This will be a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. And at the place of this we can write a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Like this also we can write. Okay. And one is a minus b and its cube will be a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So it will be a cube minus b cube, and when we open the bracket minus 3a square b and plus 3ab square. This will be the identity. A plus b and its cube will be equal to this one. A minus b and its cube will be equal to this. Okay. So if he say, इनको हम बाद में करते हैं. क्वेश्चन आपके पास गिवन होगा फाइंड द क्यूब ऑफ 103. तो 103 को आप 100 प्लस 3 एंड इट्स क्यूब राइट डाउन करेंगे. अब a प्लस बी का होल क्यूब है, इसको ओपन करेंगे तो ये आएगा a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब प्लस 3a स्क्वायर b प्लस 3ab स्क्वायर. तो a के प्लेस पे तो हो गया 100 इट्स क्यूब प्लस b के प्लेस पे हो गया 3 इट्स क्यूब प्लस 3 इंटू a स्क्वायर 100 स्क्वायर इंटू b 3 प्लस 3 इंटू a 100 इंटू b स्क्वायर 3 एंड इट्स स्क्वायर. So its cube will be 6 times 0 plus 3 and its cube is 27 plus 3 into 10,000 into 3 और 3 3 से आप 9 बना दीजिए यहाँ पे and plus 300 into 9. So this will be 6 times 0 plus 27 as it is plus it will be 90,000 and this will be 2700. Now add all these, you will get 103 and its cube. Okay, you get 27 last two digits, then next two digits 27, then 9, and then 0, 1. This will be the addition of this one. So a plus b cube you will open like this one. If he say find the cube of 99, so 99 and its cube will be 100 minus 1 and its cube. It will be a cube means 100 cube minus b cube minus 1 and its cube minus 3a square 100 square into b1 plus 3a into 100 into b square 1 and its square. So this will be 6 times 0 minus 1 minus 3 into 10,000 plus 300. Add 300 to this one, we get minus 1. Now subtract it and you will get your answer. Okay. When we subtract 1 triple 0 300 1 3 times 0 3, it will be 9 9 2 0 7 9, the 9 7 0 2 9 will be the answer. Okay. So two identities are these. So on the basis of these identities also you will solve the questions. Rest identities we will explain in our next class. Now see the other questions based on this one. He say if a plus b is 7. Suppose this type of question he say sorry, a plus b is 7, a b is 12, and he say find the value of, we have to find the value of a square plus b square. First question. Secondly he say find the value of a minus b, and third he say find the value of a square minus b square. So for finding first one, we know a plus b is 7, so on squaring both sides we will write a plus b and its square will be 7 and its square. So open this, a square plus b square plus 2ab will be there and this will be 49. Then a square plus b square plus, or directly we have to find the value of a square plus b square, then transfer this to the right side. Now the value of ab is 12, then a square plus b square will be 49 minus 2 into 12. This will be 49 minus 24 means equal to 25. Then our a square plus b square is 25. Second one, he say find the value of a minus b. So we will write a minus b and its square can be written as a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now a minus b and its square. A plus b is 25. So write 25 minus 2 into ab is 12. So this will be 25 minus 24 means a minus b and its square we get 1. Then a minus b will be plus minus 1. This will be the value. Now we have to find the value of a square minus b square. Take it as positive value. Negative also will be there, but take पॉजिटिव होंगे, बोथ से फाइंड कर देंगे ये लोग, ए प्लस बी इंटू ए माइनस बी. So when you take a minus b as plus 1, then value will be a plus b is 7 into 1 equal to 7. And when we take it minus 1, we get 7 into minus 1 is equal to minus 7. A minus b is 1, and when a minus b is minus 1. Okay. So this type question you will see there and you will solve like it. See one more question. Suppose he say if a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 20 and a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Now we have to find the value of AB plus BC plus CA. This value we have to find. Then write simply the identity A plus B plus C and its square will be A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. Now replace the given values. A plus B plus C is 0, 0 and its square. A square plus B square plus C square is 20. So at the place of this one, replace 20 plus take 2 as 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA as it is. Now it will be 0. Transfer 20 to here. So minus 20 will be. Here take 2 as common. So we get AB plus BC plus CA. Now divide by 2, we get minus 10 equal to AB plus BC plus CA. So this will be the value of AB plus BC plus CA. Again he say, see, this type question if you see, then how you will solve. Question is, if A plus B is 10, A square plus B square is equal to 58, then we have to find the value of A cube. खैर ये तो आइडेंटिटी नहीं किया अपने, रहने दो, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में सोल्व करेंगे इसको, इस आइडेंटिटी को. ओके, रेस्ट जो आइडेंटिटीज है वो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम सोल्व करेंगे. 2 आइडेंटिटीज पेंडिंग आपकी, 2-3 आइडेंटिटीज. सी one type question he will give you, if x plus 1 upon x is 5, then find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. So in this you will do x plus 1 upon x and its square will be 5 and its square. Open the identity. At the place of A, x is there, at the place of B, 1 upon x is there. So this will be x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2 into x into 1 upon x equal to 25. Now x and 1 upon x cancel down, means we get x square plus 1 upon x square as 25 minus 2, 23. ओके, इसी में अगर आपसे वो ये दे देता है, देखिए आपसे बोलता है x माइनस 1 अपॉन एक्स जो है वो 6 है, आपको वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है एक्स क्यूब माइनस 1 अपॉन एक्स क्यूब का. ठीक है तो खैर ये भी उसी आइडेंटिटी पे बेस, बट ये a माइनस बी और इट्स होल क्यूब के बेस पे भी हो जाएगा. आप इधर बोथ साइड में क्यूबिंग करेंगे, x माइनस 1 अपॉन एक्स इट्स क्यूब इक्वल टू 6 एंड इट्स क्यूब. दिस विल बी एक्स क्यूब माइनस बी क्यूब 1 अपॉन एक्स क्यूब minus 3a square b, then 3a square x square into b 1 upon x plus 3ab square 3 into ax into 1 upon x square will be equal to 216, 6 and its cube. This will be x cube minus 1 upon x cube minus 1x cancel down, we get 3x plus 1x cancel down, 3 upon x equal to 216. Now x cube minus 1 upon x cube we have to find, so we will write 216 plus 3x and minus 3 upon x. So here this will be same, equal to 216. Take 3 as common, then we get x minus 1 upon x, and the value of x minus 1 upon x is 6. This will be 216 plus 3 into 6, 216 plus 18. Now add 14, 4, 1, 3 and 2. 234 will be the answer of this one. ओके, इसी के प्लेस पे इसी क्वेश्चन में अगर वो ये कह दे आपसे फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x पावर 4 प्लस 1 अपॉन x पावर 4, सो वेरी फर्स्ट आप a माइनस बी एंड इट्स स्क्वायर से a स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करेंगे. तो बोथ साइड स्क्वायरिंग करेंगे. 1x माइनस 1 अपॉन x एंड इट्स स्क्वायर विल बी इक्वल टू 6 एंड इट्स स्क्वायर. We get x square plus 1 upon x square minus 2 into x into 1 upon x is equal to 36. Means x square plus 1 upon x square minus 2 will be 36. So x square plus 1 upon x square value आते हैं आपके पास 36 plus 2 that's 38. But we have to find the value of x power 4 plus 1 upon x power 4. So जो x square प्लस 1 अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर की वैल्यू आती है आपके पास 38. आप इसमें बोथ साइड वापस से स्क्वायरिंग कर देंगे, तो ये तो आ जाएगा ए स्क्वायर मीन्स एक्स पावर 4 प्लस बी स्क्वायर 1 अपॉन एक्स पावर 4 प्लस 2 इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू 1 अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर एंड इक्वल टू 38 एंड इट्स स्क्वायर, एंड 38 एंड इट्स स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाई 38 2 टाइम्स 64, 6, 18, 18, 24, 24, 48, 54, 5, 9, 14, 1, 444. Now x square this will be cancelled down, then x power 4 plus 1 upon x power 4 will be 1,444 minus 2. We get 1442 will be the answer. So this type question you will solve like this. Okay, one more question only. Suppose he say you the value of x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 14, then find the value of x plus 1 upon x. This value we have to find. So how you will solve? See, this value is given. We will solve x plus 1 upon x and its whole square will be x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2 into x into 1 upon x. This as it is, we have no value. X square plus 1 upon x we have 14 and x here cancel down, plus 2 means x plus 1 upon x equal to 16 and its square root, so value will be plus minus 4. Okay, so this type question you will solve like this. So today only you have to practice the questions based on these identities, and thanks.